In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off antivirus on a Windows 11 or 10 PC. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or temporarily need to disable your antivirus to install specific software, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, and it should only take about 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is press the Windows key on your keyboard plus the letter I. This shortcut quickly opens the Windows Settings menu, providing a centralized location for adjusting your system's settings. Now, once you're in the Settings window, go ahead and find the Privacy and Security section. This is where you'll locate the options you need to tweak your security settings. With Privacy and Security selected, the next step is to click on Windows Security. It should be right there on the menu panel and is crucial as it directs you to where Windows manages its built-in security features. Upon clicking Windows Security, you'll see several options related to the system's protective measures. Here, you want to go to Virus and Threat Protection, which houses the controls for Windows Defender and other antivirus functionalities. When you've opened up Virus and Threat Protection, look for the section that says Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Here, there's an option labeled Manage Settings. Click on this so you can access the specific settings related to real-time protection. Now that you've navigated to the core settings, it's time to toggle the switch that controls real-time protection. Simply find that switch and slide it to the off position. Doing this will disable your antivirus, stopping it from actively scanning files and applications in real time. Remember though, this should only be done temporarily since antivirus provides essential protection for your system against malware and other threats. Finally, when you attempt to turn off real-time protection, a prompt might appear asking if you wish to allow changes to be made to your device. If so, click Yes. This security feature is in place to ensure that you're making this change intentionally. And that wraps it up. You've now successfully turned off the antivirus on your Windows PC. Just a friendly reminder to always turn your antivirus back on as soon as you're done with the task requiring it to be off. Keeping it enabled is important for maintaining the overall security of your computer in the long term. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tech tips and tricks.